one.
Art enriches everyone.
So, first of all, I want to tell you about Graham Carraway. He's fantastic. He was wonderful to work with, wasn't he, Virginia?
He came in and with a projector, projected the basic artwork on the wall, and then he painted it. Interestingly enough to all of us, he painted most of it with spray paint. And you can see by looking at it that the images are large, so that was an economical and a quick way to cover an area with a certain color.
I think that Sanford is doing a great job for being an emerging public art city. The Riverwalk is what we're focusing on right now. Then we'll be going down 1792 and Reinhardt.
We want to put art throughout the city of Sanford because it also creates a sense of pride among the citizens. So that's our goal.
Public Art Commission in Sanford is always looking for opportunities to put sculpture, place murals, do stained glass, do mosaics. We want to enhance the area with art where we can. So we're always looking both for buildings that the city owns that we can put murals on, as well as private buildings that we can encourage the owners to either let us put the mural on or they can pay for the mural themselves. First of all, they can contact Lisa Holder, who's the administration liaison to the Public Art Commission. They can come to our meetings. We meet once a month and give us their ideas and their thoughts. I would also say that we welcome that. Anytime someone wants to come and either show us their artwork or introduce us to an artist that they like, we're happy to look at the work and talk to them.